Good morning, everyone. We are on our way on day 2 to go get breakfast.
Yep.
We got such a long day. We got breakfast. We have the captain's reception. The honeymoon thing. Don't we have hairspray today?
Yeah, but hairspray's at like 3:40.
Oh.
We got a lapse.
We got a good lapse. But we're gonna eat because we the hungries. Are you the hungries?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's the hungry. Let's go. Man, what a day so far.
I know, it's only one.
It's only one. We saw the Crown and Anchor Society thing.
Yeah, they did a little. Yeah, it's a little meet and greet with the officers. Free champagne.
Yeah.
A little tiny preview of like a show.
We gotta go check it out. I don't think we could reserve that one. Right?
No, you can't reserve it. So we got to check
It's called like
the cruise planner.
Something. Yeah.
We gotta check the cruise planner and see when it's available, so that way we can be there early.
But yeah, the thing is platinum from platinum up, so we could actually go. We got lucky last time because we were gold last time.
Yeah.
So that's right. I merged into her. But we got to do that. We got to do a couples thing. We'll post a picture now of the event right here. We actually won some wine.
Yeah, which is good because I don't drink champagne. I like champagne, but not a lot. I don't like red wine, but we won white wine, so at least adds on to the collection of our $3 wines.
Let's go get some tacos. Tacos, burrito, quesadillas. Like Seth Rogen playing the saxophone. It looks just like Seth Rogen.
Because it is.
We believe it is. Kiss the Adventure. Where are we off to?
That's our adventure, going to get soda.
Yeah.
You know, at 3 we gotta go down here to go see Hairspray.
Yeah. Hairspray the musical.
Never seen it. I love both movies.
Yeah.
I can get my espresso in here.
Oh. A cafe. Promenade.
I can get my espresso here.
Man, so we just ate and we're so full. I wasn't hungry, but I looked at the tacos and I was like, it's time. These things must be devoured. Now we're gonna go see Hairspray. We can't record it.
We'll take photos like before
but
and
we'll
after.
take pictures and we'll post here. So catch you guys. Some of like the artwork is really nice here.
Oh, we're about to go see Kermit.
Yay! love?
The ice cream.
Ice cream. Ice cream and burritos. But yeah, ice cream sounds damn good. Maybe we got the orange one. Let's check out Christy's ice cream swirling technique. She gonna swirl? You're gonna swirl the ice cream. What ice cream are you gonna get?
I'm getting chocolate and vanilla.
Yeah.
You want vanilla and strawberry.
Yeah, cause I haven't had strawberry in a long time.
So I'm gonna make yours first.
Yeah.
What order?
Technique. Get the swirl. Oh man, you got the perfect swirl.
Oh, it's starting to move.
Oh no.
No.
Oh no.